Guys, welcome back. Matt here, washing up pressure washing, Staten Island, New York. There's no work, so what we're doing is we're doing our house. Okay, so we're cleaning the windows in our house. Guys, this is a big, this is an easy thing to add to your pressure washing stuff. Okay, get yourself a water-fed pole. I got a Tucker water-fed pole, RHG Projects. Give Gavin a call over there. Great stuff. Okay, guys, get yourself a water-fed pole. You can offer this for a free thing, for a free service when you do a house wash. It doesn't take long at all. I got a wrench. Okay, what do I got? 15, 16, 18 windows in a house, double hung windows. It's nothing. Okay, so get yourself a water-fed pole. You know, it's a little selling point, guys. Just get yourself a water-fed pole and you can do this. It's easy to do. I think I got everything for like a couple thousand. I think it was like 3,000 with the reels and the brushes and I got a 40-foot pole. But it's great, man, guys. It will really help out. So I'm just gonna give you guys a couple little tips when you're doing it. Kind of follow along. Okay, there's a few different ways you do it. Okay, these are single pane windows. Okay, so these are easy. But if you have double windows, you always want to start at the top, work your way across the way at the top. Let it drip. Okay, drip is the biggest thing. Okay, scrub. You'll see when I scrub. Scrub. Let it drip, and then you do the bottom panes a couple minutes later. And it's also, you don't got to put your pole up and down either. So you just you do it like that. So it saves a little bit of time, and it just works out way better like that. So I'll show you guys one. I already did these, but I'll do them again. Okay, I usually start at the bottom. Usually get the frames, and I work my way up. Okay, and I usually go side to side. Make sure you get the top frame. That's where everything's going to drip from. And you rinse. Always rinse twice just to make sure you don't stuff off all the dirt. All that white stuff, the aluminum that comes off from the flashing and stuff. That's it, guys. You just work your way around. I'll add the other video to when I do double paints. You'll see. I'm bringing around the side of the house when I do double paints. All right. All right, guys. Here we are. Like I said, double panes. The rest of my house are double hungs. Okay. So you gotta do them a little different. Okay. So I do the top first, and I got screens in mine. My screens do not come out, okay? So I'm gonna do the tops. I'll even give my little screens a scrub when I go. Get some water in them. A lot of dirt. Okay? Top again. And scrub it a couple times. I don't think I ever cleaned my exterior windows. My wife's been bugging me for years to do it. You know what? Now it's a better time than ever. Do it. Okay? It's bad. It's pretty filthy. Screens, I wish mine came out. I do them separate. Only my front ones come out. Like this. Now what I'm going to do, my screens, let's see if I get a little different, okay? This is the Tucker Alpha brush. It's got two things, so it's got pencil jets, and it's got the rinse bar up top. See, it's got pencil jets, 4 of them, and it's got the rinse bar up top. So you see, let's try the screens with the rinse bar. Maybe that will work a little better. Yeah, a little bit. Just a little better rinse. And you use different. Use the different jets, the different way of rinsing, whatever type of glass you have. Hey guys, there's two different types of glass. Hydrophilic, hydrophobic. Hydrophilic, this is the way I remember it. Hydrophobic, it beads up like it's scared. It's little beads. That's hydrophobic, okay? Hydrophilic, it sheets off. So there's two different types of glass. I have hydrophilic glass. I don't know if that's just the way it is. It kind of sheets off when you rinse. Hydrophobic, it beads. So it takes a little longer to rinse, okay? So sometimes when I have hydrophilic glass, I use my pencil jets because it gives a nice big spread. It doesn't spray all over the place. When I have hydrophobic glass, I use my rinse bar usually on top, okay? That's just two little things, okay? So guys, same thing. Just keep going working around, okay? We rinse this all the time. It's a little windy today too. It's kind of tough to do windows when it's really windy also. Just a little rinse. It's good to go. Okay? That's it, guys. Just make your way around. That's all you gotta do. Just make your way around. Do tops or the panes first. And that's it. Make that money. See you later, guys.